Have you ever wondered if the digital world holds more for you than just endless scrolling? What if the key to unlocking a new stream of income, to building a future on your own terms, was sitting right at your fingertips? In today's interconnected world, the path to earning online is more accessible than ever before. It's not a distant dream reserved for a select few. It's a tangible reality waiting for you to seize it. The journey begins with a single click, a single idea, and the decision to turn your passion into profit. This is where your transformation from a passive consumer to an active creator and earner begins. The most direct path is often through leveraging the skills you already possess. Imagine your talent for writing, graphic design, or coding becoming a source of income. Platforms designed for freelancers connect your expertise with a global marketplace of clients eager for quality work. Picture your profile, glowing with 5-star reviews and testimonials from satisfied customers. Each completed project not only adds to your bank account, but also builds your reputation, creating a snowball effect of opportunities. This isn't just about trading time for money. It's about building a brand around your unique abilities and finding fulfillment in the work you do, all from the comfort of your home. The digital economy is thriving, and your skills are the currency. But what if you want to create something that works for you even when you were not working? That's the power of content creation and digital products. You could start a YouTube channel or a blog centered around a topic you're passionate about, whether it's cooking, gaming, or financial advice. As you build a community and engage with your audience, monetization features like ad revenue and sponsorships become available, turning your passion project into a viable business. Furthermore, you can package your knowledge into digital products. Think of an ebook sharing your expertise or an online course that guides others through a skill you've mastered. These assets, once created, can generate passive income, earning you money around the clock and giving you the ultimate financial freedom. This isn't just a fantasy. It's the new reality of work. The possibilities are expanding every day, limited only by your imagination and drive. Envision yourself looking at a screen not with dread, but with pride. See the charts trending upwards, the positive financial data reflecting your hard work and smart decisions. This is more than just making money online. It's about designing a life of freedom, purpose, and endless potential. Your journey into the digital marketplace starts now, with the belief that you have what it takes to succeed. The tools are here, the audience is waiting, and your future is ready to be built.